Oh no, we've got a big trip planned. Yep, to Yellowstone. What are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do? Are you going to Yellowstone soon? Because we are. We've told the channel we're going out west this summer. It's a huge trip. We're going to the Badlands, Yellowstone, Tetons, Rockies.
Big trip.
Big trip, right in the middle of the trip. If you haven't heard, Yellowstone has major flooding. The entire roadways have been washed out completely. Now, the damage is mostly north and the very north loop by the Mammoth Hot Springs area, the north entrance. We would be coming from the east. So, but Yellowstone is closed right now. I mean, it's completely closed and evacuated.
So should we go?
Should we even go? Is it going to be open?
Cancel the trip? Find somewhere else?
Do you have a recommendation of a plan B so that we don't have to cancel the entire trip? I mean, I guess we could stay in the Badlands a little longer, stay in the Tetons a little longer.
Comment what you think.
Yeah,
should we go? Should we make different plans?
Let us know. There's a lot of people with this same predicament right now, obviously. I mean, this is the most popular park in all of the U.S., I believe. So thousands of people are possibly slightly panicking. I've seen lots of comments online. I've canceled the trip. Maybe we'll go next year, maybe 2 years. I'm not going if I can't see all of it. We did have been 10 years ago, but that's been a long time. It wasn't camping. We had half as many kids. We've got 2 families going. We're going with his sister's family who has 6 kids. So this is a big party. This is a lot. So
14 people.
Yeah.
4 adults and 10 kids.
And a dog. Their dog, not ours.
And a beagle. The German Shepherd ain't going.
Let me just tell you, in case you don't know, this is straight from the NPS website.
Straight facts and news, people.
Well, you can get this from yourself, but if you don't even know what we're talking about, I'll just tell you right now that it is temporarily closed.
They're record-setting floods, though. One of the rivers, the pressure and water flow was like 21 or 24,000, and it's like over 50,000 now. So crazy amount of water, and they're getting snow and expecting more rain. So, it could get a little worse.
The reason this happened was record rainfall on top of warm temperatures rapidly melting a lot of snow. Yeah. So it's been a deluge, quite literally.
High elevation, lots of snow, then the warm weather melted all that, plus the rainfall, thus the record-setting erosion of roads. Not just roads, but people's houses and stuff have been eroded away. So lift up a prayer for those people that have lost all of their stuff, all of their memories.
Right, that is way worse than rerouting some vacation.
They thought they were safe up high above the river until the river became very strong and eroded the land away. So build upon the rock, not on the sand. Okay, this is what it says. The park's southern loop appears to be less impacted than the northern roads, and teams will assess the damage and when to reopen the loop. So also, a fellow RV content creator who is in the park just let us know that the lower loops are doing okay. The park should reopen Saturday at the earliest, Monday he said at the latest. That is unofficial. I'm just telling you what we heard. First-hand knowledge just came in.
But it is not an official statement. The park should be open, especially because we're not going for a few more weeks. We have to decide, is there enough to see? Is traffic going to be just bottlenecked everywhere because you can't go to all of Yellowstone?
Yeah, you're going to have more traffic.
And it's already got bad traffic. Yeah, the bison jams are still going to be the bison jams.
Yeah. Now beware of the bison. Don't get too close. There was just some woman that was gorged. I got a little too close 10 years ago. Freaked out my whole family.
Yes.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, don't do that.
Sorry, Mary.
That's where we're at. Just thought we would update our followers, or if you are in the same boat as we are, let us know what you think and what you're thinking. Do you have a plan B? What is it? Because we're kind of looking, but it looks like it's going to reopen. I think we'll be okay.
And I think there's going to be plenty to see and do.
Absolutely.
Most of the main sites are going to be in your lower loop with the geysers and
Right.
mud springs and all that stuff.
Right. Most of the mud pots and geysers and all is lower, which is where we're already staying at Grant Village.
And if you're only staying for a few days or less than a week, you're not going to be able to see half the park anyways.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
just go and do and see what you can.
So this is some of the known damage straight from the NPS website. The north entrance, Gardner, Montana to Mammoth Hot Springs, road is completely washed out. Significant rock slide at Gardner Canyon. Tower Junction to northeast entrance, segment of road washed out near Bottle Butte picnic area, downed trees. Tower Roosevelt to Canyon Junction, the Dunraven Pass, there's a mudslide on the road. Canyon Junction to Fishing Bridge, segment of road just south of Canyon Junction, potentially compromised and closed for evaluation. Okay, so it does say that there's damage, Canyon Junction to Fishing Bridge, segment of road just south of Canyon. That is the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, which is completely breathtaking. I hope we are able to visit it. Sounds like maybe part of that loop might be closed. We'll just have to see. We can keep you guys updated. I'm sure you guys have all your sources of being updated as well. Thanks for watching Adventures in Pop-Ups, and happy camping.